Do you remember last summer at Cape Cod? Do you remember one night in the dining room there was this young naval officer? He sat near our table with two other officers. During a dinner, the waiter brought him a message, at which point he left. Nothing rings the bell? Well, I first saw him that morning in the lobby. He was checking into the hotel, and he was following the bellboy to the elevator with his luggage. He glanced at me as he walked past. Just a glance. Nothing more. And I could hardly move. That afternoon, Helena went to a movie with her friend, and you and I, we made love, and we talked about Helena, and we made plans about our future. Yet at no time was he ever out of my mind. And I thought that if he wanted me, even if it's only for one night, I was ready to give up everything. You, Helena, my whole future, everything. Yet it was weird, because at the same time you were dearer to me than ever, and my love to you was both tender and sad. I barely slept that night. I woke up the next morning in a panic. I don't know if I was afraid that he has gone, or that he might still be there. But by dinner I realized he wasn't there anymore, and I was relieved.